this because I feel like it's gonna be a banger.
Buy some Starlight shorts, obviously.
Yeah, that's true.
And that. Oh no. Okay.
Nice bell.
Okay, I dropped the bell.
Minus FP.
I have two lightning.
Have me fuck, I'll use the bell. Wait, no. Wait, should I? No, I have a lightning
Actually-
skill.
Winter, you should probably use it. If you're not using FP on anything, just save it in case you need some range damage.
I have a lot of FP restoration. No, I don't. Not anymore. I dropped it all. I do have some skills that allow it.
Alright, good start. I gotta hit him. No! What are we doing, man?
See, look at the battles, Mito. It's clean.
What if I use this? Alright, if we can stun him in the lightning thing, I can get Scarlet Rot on him. Now. He left.
Dude, that didn't even proc on him. That's crazy.
Yeah, he left too early, I think. Next one though, well. This one will.
Oh wow.
No, he stabbed me out of it, man.
There's a chance.
I'm trying.
That should get it. Nope, never mind. Your arcane sucks.
Yeah, it does. I can get some FP back if I attack him. Let me get in here.
Wait, isn't this the... Oh, it's a different... That's right, they have like different versions of people in this
I
one.
knew that was gonna happen.
You're ulting in one bar?
I wanna restore HP and save you from that.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I got a temple.
We're doing this again.
Distracted voice.
Return to pass, alright. Hook me up. Pain.
Oh, I can't block this run.
Oh my god. What did I just get? Sure, help me. What'd I get? Oh my god.
Oh wait.
Temples.
I can just get a Scarlet Rot.
Dude, honestly, I don't even know any of the shit in
First
this
dodge
one.
is kind of long. It's good for that.
He has the shortest dodge.
Wait, hold up. Mayo?
Oh, man.
I got it. He's rotted.
Yeah, I would like to use that.
Oh,
Oh,
dude,
fuck.
that's,
What do I
the slow
get?
flask is so good for this.
I got poison. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna stun him. Get your damage ready, Steve. Okay, just kidding.
slow floss actually was bad there.
Can't see. I can't turn my camera. Oh
I have
man.
my ult for slow. Unless you also have it.
I don't have it.
And the gods told me to get Helena.
Oh, look at the tier list that Jason posted earlier.
Helena on that tier list?
Doing it. Yep. Alright, we're back.
Okay,
I
okay,
don't
here
know how
we
to
go.
ask that anymore.
Are you gonna block it?
Yep.
Alright, going back for Scarlet Rod after this.
Good luck, soldier.
Someone's on there, is it?
I got it. Yes, let's go.
Okay.
That's not
You
good.
ult it? You ult him?
I can open it.
Bag.
He's on me right now.
What was the ticket? This?
Okay,
No.
big. Crawling towards him. Hit him too.
We gotta get
Close as
2
your
of
ult.
them.
Halfway.
I'll have ult as well.
I don't think we got around any of this.
Let's see.
It's good for you want them.
I think just one random video said Atlanta's good.
There you go. That's all you need.
Tank that with the shot.
It really is.
It's not gonna work.
Never mind.
Sounds like you're saying.
Oh, I'm gonna get hit by that. I'm just gonna
No.
stand here.
No.
Please last.
Nope. No!
Yeah, it worked, it worked.
What are you saying?
Hold up. It's loud. Wait, is this a 5-star costume?
Alright. I might be able to
Oh,
get one more
it
Scarlet
is.
Rot. If I can, it'll be huge. Just gonna wait for the right opportunity. This one, maybe? No.
Dead ain't far.
Then I lost this guy. This guy clearly, he looks degenerate enough. You know.
This one? Oh no!
That sucks.
Unfortunately, that's all my mana.
I used my ult. Like right as I fucked it up.
You got it?
Oh shit, he shot 2 arrows.
Yeah, he's in 2-arrow mode now.
Not bad to block. I don't know why I take so much damage from it though.
How do I not dodge that? No. That's like the worst thing possible.
Ah! I was in there for 2 seconds. Alright, boys. Bad news. No FP, no flasks.
Any ult though?
So
No,
bright.
50%. Baited away from slavery? No, that's too late. Is it? I can't tell where he is. Oh,
It's coming to you.
Just farm ult, don't try to get me. I mean, you can farm ult on me. Don't commit.
He's guarding your corpse, man.
Fine. Come in. Roll into him if you can.
Guardian's dodge is like bad, unfortunately.
I know that. It's going up, Windry.
I have my
How
ult
close?
almost.
There it is. Oh. I'm at like 80%. I have plenty of heals though.
Oh my god.
Hmm?
Okay, this guy. I'm just following what this guy's telling me to do. He said both Helenas. Also, one second.
I've almost got it. Alright, I'm getting Steve up.
He's coming.
I have plenty of heals, so it should be okay.
Oh my god, man.
I got enough for one more Scarlet Rod after this.
Oh, nice. Base fire? You can probably get it here.
Yeah. I don't know if I'll get far enough, close enough. Okay. Okay. That's
Okay.
gotta get him. No way.
I gotta find Helena on this list. Is this alphabetical?
You can still click type at the top right.
What type is Helena?
Just go through each
I
one.
do. Light. Okay, so I have one here. One plus 5 her apparently. Okay. There's the other one.
Well, you already have that one, so don't worry.
Yeah, no, I do. Apparently I want it to plus 5. Okay, this Asian man is telling me what to do. There's 2 Helenas.
The skins are, the costumes are different.
Okay, the bell. Look at the racer.
Yeah, I want
Yeah,
this
no,
one.
go,
I want
go,
another one.
Race, get him!
I want this one.
Okay, we got him. Got him here. When he falls, he's dead.
They're gonna get him up there. They're gonna get him up there.
Oh, what the fuck?
Bird!
Dennis.
It still went off, man.
That
Like,
pool is
what
like a
is
rock.
that S?
It was actually pretty fine at the beginning, and then it's all went to hell when he got that sword.
Dennis, got it?